Today I will teach you how to use the Smart Honey Extractor. Turn on the machine to select the language. There are 4 languages for the control system to choose from. Take English as an example. Next, enter the operation mode configuration selection. There are 2 types, cycle mode and way mode. First, we will demonstrate the cycle mode for you. Click twice. Perform parameter setting, mainly including the time of cycles, and specific parameter settings for each cycle. First, set the number of cycles. The maximum is 3 times. Here we set it to 2 times for demonstration. Click Enter to the detailed cycle parameter setting. Respectively carry out the forward and reverse speed and time. You can according to your actual operation situation to set. After setting, click Return, and then press the Start button. The honey extractor starts to work. Forward rotation for the first time. Deceleration starts at the end of forward rotation. Reverse rotation for the first time. Deceleration starts at the end of reverse rotation. Forward rotation for the second time. Deceleration starts at the end of forward rotation. Reverse rotation for the second time. Deceleration starts at the end of reverse rotation. This is the process of the whole cycle mode. Next, we will demonstrate the way mode for you. Go back and click twice to enter the operating mode configuration. Double-click to enter the way mode. The maximum operating speed that can be set is 300 R. Here we set it to 2800 for demonstration, which means the maximum speed of the machine is 2800 in way mode. And then press the start button. The machine starts to accelerate. At this time, the controller shows that the machine is accelerating. Running at high speed. It is analyzing whether the honey rotating is completed in forward rotation. The honey dumping has been completed, and it is decelerating. The forward rotation is completed, and the reverse rotation is started. At this time, the controller shows that the machine is accelerating in the reverse direction. The reverse is running at high speed. It is analyzing whether the reverse rotation is completed. The reverse rotation has been completed, and it is decelerating. This is the process of the whole way mode.